Hello and welcome to Do It Like a Dancer. Today I'm going to be taking you through 4 basic ways that you can drastically improve your floor work. Step number 1, relax. A lot of times when dancers first start working on the floor, they're very tense and they're almost like they're fighting with the floor. Honestly, the softer you are, the softer the floor is. So you can do these kind of basic rolls to just learn how to completely relax your body into the floor. The more weight that you can put into the floor, the softer your movements are going to appear. With that in mind, step number 2 is really get used to using your hands and your feet, your shoulders, your hips to really push into and through the floor. It's like you want to think of not just pushing against the floor, but pushing through the floor. This is physics, guys. Equal opposite reaction. As you push against the floor pushes back and your movements appear softer, more weightless, even though you're going deeper into the floor, and more elegant. Next up, step number 3, do not use your joints, right? You're never gonna land on your knees, your elbows. You wanna use your hands a lot to really push yourself around. If you do land on your legs, it is on your calf or your thigh or your hips. Basically, do not land on your joints. And step number 4 is try to keep as much contact with the floor as you possibly can. So, for example, when we're doing these basic rolls, I see a lot of basic dancers kind of pick their arms and legs off the floor and then just go into the final position, right? But this doesn't actually, it looks very strange, first of all, and it's not really working with the floor. So you want to keep your hands, your feet, even your head, your forehead, as much contact as you can keep with the floor, the more elegant and smooth your movements are going to look. Remember, guys, the floor is your best friend. It is there to support you through thick and thin, and it never goes away. And that's really it. These 4 ways can make your floor work much better and smoother and more elegant. Of course, it's easy to say, but it takes practice, practice, practice. So let me know how it goes in the comments. If you have any questions, listen. If you like this, share it with a friend. And don't forget to do all the various YouTube things. Finally, a huge shout out to my patrons. You guys rock my world. If you would like to support what I do, go to patreon.com/Gillian Rhodes the Performer. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.